can't even believe I'm making this video right now. Hi guys, what is up and welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's me, Marisa here. I literally cannot believe I'm even sitting here in my house making this video right now. Just an FYI, this video is probably going to be filled with so many emotions, and I just wanted to film a really raw, real video with you guys and let you know how I'm feeling with everything that's been happening. And I just wanted to sit down and be real and show you guys like what I'm going through, show you guys what students like me are going through, and everyone for the matter. So if you do not know, I am a student at Kent State University in Ohio. It is now the end of my freshman year. My freshman year of college is over, and it's really weird to say that considering I still thought I had 2 months of school left. So obviously I'm sure you are aware of the whole coronavirus outbreak. I don't even really want to go into it because I'm just sick of hearing about it at this point. But I was actually going to film this video earlier, and I'm glad that I didn't because of circumstances that have changed and how even more emotional I am at the moment. Also, sorry for how I look. Like, literally this week has been crazy, and I was going to put on makeup to film this video, but then I was like, you know what, why do I put on makeup? I'm just going to cry it off. So, start from the beginning. So, with this whole, like, corona situation, I, like, was aware of it. I'm not gonna say I wasn't aware of it, but, like, when you're at school, you feel like you're in your own, like, little bubble. You don't really know what's happening in the world. I also do not have a TV in my room, and I get my news either from Twitter, or my mom from what she's seeing on the news, and it really, up until this past week, did not seem to be a concern. It was like I saw stuff about it on Twitter, and heard stuff about it from my mom, but, like, that was pretty much about it. Like, it wasn't, to me, like, this crazy problem. And no one else in my college thought this was an insane national emergency situation like it now is. I also knew a lot about it because I did have some friends and people in my sorority who were studying abroad in Florence, Italy, when the outbreak started over there. I remember, like, for them it went from them having the option to come home to them having to come home in a span of just a few days, and they came home and they had to be quarantined. No one that I know has the virus or anything like that. After, like, they came home, we're like, okay, like, it's getting bad, like, overseas, but we didn't really know, like, how bad it was getting here. We would get, like, emails from health services. A couple of times we got emails just saying, like, oh, like, symptoms, what to do, be careful, but it's not like a major concern right now. And we got like a few of those emails. That's pretty much all I had known about it up until this week. And this week, literally my whole life has been flipped upside down, as I'm sure yours probably has been too. So it was on Monday, and we found out that the Ohio State University closed for 2 weeks after their spring break due to the coronavirus. And we were like, what? Like, and then this day we also heard that there were 3 confirmed cases in Cuyahoga County in Ohio, which, if you're not aware of like geographical stuff, because like I'm not, Cuyahoga County is like 2 counties over from where Kent State is located. It's closer to Cleveland. For these cases confirmed in Cuyahoga County, which is pretty close to us, and we were like, oh my gosh, like, it's here. And then the Ohio State closed, and we were like, okay, wait, why are they closing and doing online classes whenever, like, we're close? And then the next day was a normal Tuesday. I spent some of my classes, you know, like normal. I actually met with one of my professors that day to talk about what I should take next semester, because I had my advising appointment scheduled for next week to schedule class for the fall. I didn't really know what I needed to take for my major next semester. And my one professor loves, like, talking about classes and what I should do. So he talked to me, and then I said, I'll see you in class later, depending if we have class, because, like, this whole corona thing. And he was like, this is, like, insane. Like, we don't know, like, what's going on. He was like, I'll see you later, though. Reality check, didn't see him later. I was in my 3rd class of the day when people started, like, freaking out. So I got to my class, and I was like, what's everyone freaking out over? And then everyone's like, there's supposed to be an email at like 2:30, and it was like around 2 about like them closing the college due to coronavirus. And we were like, what are you talking about? Like, why is it bad? So I was in like my peer leader training course, and they went on with their lesson and stuff, but it was so hard for us all to focus because we were like, what's happening? Are we in an emergency? Are we gonna get evacuated? Like, what is going on? Someone accidentally leaked the plan for the school on what they were planning on doing, closing down for like the month and then coming back April 13th, like before the university sent out an official email. So my group chats, my sorority chat, other class chats were blowing up with all these messages during class. Like, everyone's phones were going off. We were trying to focus on the lesson, but it was just like, we did, but like it just like wasn't happening. Came out with the decision that we were to be closed the rest of this week, which we are currently in, do remote instruction next week, resume spring break as usual for a week, and then have remote instruction the following week, then return back to campus on April the 13th. But today we just found out that my college is closed, and I think all universities, I'm pretty sure, are closed for the remainder of the semester. And when I got this email, my heart literally like broke. I'm trying not to cry. I literally broke into a million pieces because I love school and I love being at college. I feel like when I'm there, like, I am just a whole other person, and I feel like I can truly be myself, and I'm surrounded by the best friends and people that I could ever ask for, and I feel like I'm just learning and improving myself every day. And like, not being there for 5 months like terrifies me. On Wednesday morning, my mom came and picked me up. We brought a lot of my stuff home, and now not even a week later, I have to go and move out on like Monday or Sunday or Monday. We have to be moved out by March 30th to get refunds on room and board. I feel like my whole life is just like turned upside down. I'm sure like literally every other person feels this way. My heart hurts for so many people right now. I could not imagine being a senior in college or a senior in high school and getting your last moments in high school or college ripped away from you like this. It's like, it hurts so bad because like it literally came as a shock to us. Like I said, like the university there was no warning of this, and it kind of came from the governor, not exactly our university itself, but we got the email I think like 2 hours ago. I've literally been crying since then. I don't even know like how to explain it other than the fact that like I can't believe that I'm here right now. I can't believe I'm home, that this is happening, and it's crazy. It's insane. As some of you guys may know, I just got hired to be a student orientation leader at Kent for this following summer, and if you've been subscribed to me for a while, like, you know this is something I have wanted to do since I went to my own orientation, and I was so proud of myself for getting this job. And now the fact that that might not happen, like, they had to have orientation obviously, but like we don't know, like everything is just so unknown, and it's just like, if I don't get to do this job that I wanted to do, like, it's crazy. Like, no one would have expected this, and I feel like for me, like, I'm definitely trying to have like a positive outlook on everything, and I'm trying to be positive, but literally my whole life is just like thrown upside down just like everyone else's. My freshman year is really over right now. I feel like there's so much stuff I still needed to experience and had planned, like my sorority formal. Like, I will never get to go to a formal my freshman year. Like, I'm just so heartbroken. But I guess this is a good thing because it shows that I absolutely love my school. I love where I am. Like, you know you love your school if this is hitting hard for you. I love being at college. Like, there's nothing more than being with my friends and just like so many things like you kind of take for granted. Like, going to class and seeing certain people and going to sorority events and going to chapter. Like, I'm happy I'm not a senior in this position right now, but it's still taken away from all of us. Like, I just want to say really quickly to people who have made my freshman year so memorable, I cannot thank you guys enough. I have found some of the most amazing friends this year. To my roommate Ashley, thank you so much for being my best friend through this whole year. I could not imagine what this year would have been like without you. Thank you for making every night feel like a sleepover and making every moment enjoyable. And thank you. You literally just texted me. And thank you for just being there for me. Anything that I needed through this whole year. And I literally love you so much. And I'm so happy I met you. And if we weren't rooming together next semester, I literally don't know what I would do right now. And to my amazing group of sorority friends, thank you guys so much for being some of the most kind, genuine people I have ever met in my entire life. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. And I hope we all get to go vacation at Haley's house this summer, because I literally don't think I could not see you guys until August. Thank you guys for coming into my life this year. I don't know what I would do without you, and we will get through this together. And I literally love you guys so much. If you need anything, you know where to find me, you know where to call me. Love you guys. Like, I just needed to do this video to kind of vent to you guys, and like, I'm sorry if it's weird or stupid. And I guess like what scares me personally as someone who like has anxiety, like, is just being in the unknown, is like living in the unknown, and I hate like the uncertainty that's associated with this whole situation. And I also am so sociable, and the fact that I'm not gonna get all the social interaction that my little heart desires makes me very upset. And that's like, it serves as a good reminder moving forward, hopefully in the next semester, that live it up, like, because literally like anything can be ripped away from you at any time. And don't take anything for granted, and don't take the people in your life for granted. Don't take the things you have to go to for granted, and just like have a better outlook on everything. So I hope like out of this experience, like in this shock, like I will at least hopefully going into next semester have this knowledge and new outlook on everything. And like closing, I guess, of this video, if you have a college student in your life, please, please be kind to them, show compassion, be patient with them. Don't tell them they're stupid. Don't tell them that, you know, it's just like 2 months, because like so much happens in these, could have happened in these 2 months. Like, you don't know like the people you could have met or the things you could have experienced, and it's just like it's 2 months of being in school that we're missing out on. I think to myself now that I'm so grateful I decided to go away from college, because I could not imagine the person I would be if I didn't go already, just from the things I've learned this year. Show compassion and show patience and empathy to people, and just show kindness to the world and everyone. I feel like the world right now just needs kindness. Like, since I've been home, like at the grocery store, I've seen so much negativity. It's like, why do you, like, why? Like, it's not making our world a better place. If anything, it's making it worse. So just be kind to everyone you interact with, if you interact with anyone, and just show compassion and empathy towards everyone, because we're all going through something right now that no one knows about, and we're all coping with this thing very differently. So just be kind. I think that's all I have to say. So yeah, I hope this video kind of gave you an insight into what I and so many other people are going through. And if you are going through anything right now and this is hitting you hard as well, my heart is with you. I wish you nothing but the best. Please take care of yourself, take care of your mental health, take care of your friends, and take care of your family. Check in on your friends and family too during this time, because I know this is just not easy for anyone. So just want to resume making videos normally for my channel this week. So anything you guys want to see, I guess I'm going to do I was going to actually start my college series, what I thought would be early, but I'm just going to start it now this week, about stuff I learned throughout my freshman year of college. So if there's anything specific you would like to know about my freshman year, please, please, please let me know in the comments. So please let me know what you guys want to see, and I will gladly do that. But for now, take care, get your rest, stay safe, happy, and healthy. Bye guys, love you all.